Hi, my friend. Welcome back to Learn English with Stories. I'm Emma, and I'm very happy you are here today. In this video, I will tell you a calm and simple story about my morning routine. Listen carefully, relax, and enjoy your English time with me. Let's start. Every morning, I wake up at around 7 a.m. My alarm rings softly, but sometimes it feels very loud. I open my eyes slowly and look around my room. My room is usually quiet. The light from the window comes in gently, and it helps me wake up. First, I stay in bed for a minute or two. I stretch my arms, my legs, and my back. Stretching helps my body feel more awake. After stretching, I stand up and look outside. If the weather is sunny, I feel more positive. If it's cloudy, I feel a little sleepy, but that's okay. Every new day is a new chance to do something good. Then, I stand up and walk to the bathroom. I wash my face with cold water because cold water wakes me up quickly. I look at myself in the mirror and smile. I like starting my day with a small smile. It makes me feel calm and ready. After washing my face, I brush my teeth for about 2 minutes. I use mint toothpaste and I enjoy the fresh taste. While brushing my teeth, I usually think about my plans for the day. Sometimes I think, do I have a class today? Do I need to study? Do I need to buy something from the store? Do I have homework? When I finish in the bathroom, I go back to my room and make my bed. Making my bed keeps my room clean and organized. When my room is clean, I feel more focused. Next, I choose what to wear. If I have classes, I choose something simple and comfortable, like jeans and a t-shirt. If I stay home, I wear something soft and cozy. Sometimes I change my clothes 2 or 3 times because I can't decide. It depends on my mood. Then, I go to the kitchen to prepare breakfast. Breakfast is an important part of my morning routine. I usually make tea because tea helps me feel warm and relaxed. Some days, I drink coffee if I need more energy. For breakfast, I like simple food. I usually eat toast with cheese or jam. Sometimes I eat fruit, a banana, an apple, or some berries. If I feel hungry, I make eggs. If I feel lazy, I just drink tea and eat something small. While eating breakfast, I like to listen to soft music. Music makes my morning calm and peaceful. Sometimes I listen to short English podcasts too, because they help me learn new vocabulary. After breakfast, I wash the dishes and clean the table. I don't like cleaning, but doing a little cleaning in the morning makes my day easier. When I finish, I prepare my bag. I put my notebook, pens, water bottle, my student card, and sometimes my laptop inside. I check my schedule to make sure I don't forget anything important. I also pack a small snack, because snacks help me stay focused during the day. Around 8 a.m., I get ready to leave the house. Before I leave, I check everything one more time. Phone, keys, wallet, bag. Yes, everything is ready. The morning air feels fresh. Sometimes it's warm, sometimes it's cool, but it always feels nice. I start walking to the bus stop. On the way, I enjoy looking at the people around me. Some people walk their dogs. Some people go to work. Children go to school with their parents. Everyone has their own morning routine. When I arrive at the bus stop, I wait for the bus. While waiting, I listen to music or review my notes. The bus usually arrives in a few minutes. I get on the bus and look for a seat. On the bus, I like sitting near the window. I watch the buildings, the trees, and the sky. Watching the world outside makes me feel calm and relaxed. Sometimes I practice English with short sentences in my mind. Sometimes I just enjoy the ride. The bus ride takes about 10 to 15 minutes. During this time, I prepare myself mentally for my day. I think about my classes, my friends, and the things I want to do. When the bus finally reaches the university, I stand up, say thank you to the driver, and get off. I walk through the campus and feel ready to start my day. My morning routine is simple, but it helps me feel organized, focused, and positive. Starting the day with a calm and healthy routine makes the rest of the day better. And that is my full morning routine. Thank you for listening to my slow English story. You can shadow this video, repeat after me, or listen again to improve your English. If you enjoyed this story, please like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.